Good morning, friends. How are you today? Today we want to learn about part of body of animals in the water. Okay, let's start, friends. The first is fish. Look at the picture. There are fin, tail, pectoral fin, gills, mouth, and eyes. Next is body part of turtle. There are head, nostril, mouth, shell, tail, leg, neck, mandible, and eye. And now is crab. The body part of crab are eye, claw, crawling legs, shell, and shelly pad. Okay, friends, for your assignment today is you have to answer about part of body of a fish and a crab. Don't forget to write your answer on your writing book and then send to me. Thank you, friends. Good luck. Bye.